Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make steak pasta. Start by selecting a quality steak and bringing it to room temperature. Season simply with salt and pepper, then sear to your preferred doneness. While the steak rests, cook pasta in well-salted boiling water until al dente. Use pan drippings to build a quick sauce with garlic, tomatoes, and herbs for balanced flavor. Finish with a splash of pasta water and parmesan to marry the flavors. Gather quality ingredients before you start: steak, pasta, garlic, tomatoes, herbs, olive oil, and parmesan. Pat the steak dry and season well an hour before cooking if possible. Use high heat for searing and keep garlic low to avoid burning. Chop tomatoes and herbs while pasta cooks. Reserve a cup of pasta water to adjust sauce thickness, and slice steak against the grain for tender bites when serving. Taste and adjust seasoning. Begin by heating a heavy skillet until smoking, then sear the steak 1 to 2 minutes per side for medium rare depending on thickness. After searing, rest the steak under foil to keep juices. Use the same pan to sauté garlic and tomatoes, deglaze with a splash of pasta water, and simmer briefly. Toss the pasta with sauce, add sliced steak on top, and finish with chopped herbs and parmesan for a cozy, flavorful plate.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.